Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketpending.com. We are going over with our SMF Street trading staff today another ETF. It's an India Earnings India Fund EPI. And here are just some of the stats that people would look at. Naturally, we're traders, so we're here to take the directional move. But you can take a look at what the stats are, and what they mean is MSCI's Emerging Markets Index, which we covered, and the MSCI Index, India Index, that's an Indian index that we have already covered. This one here is WisdomTree India Earnings Fund. And basically, I'm going to go over the weekly and the monthly charts. For the people that just would like to know more about it, this is how you would know about an ETF. And basically, you can get your breakdown of the underlying index top industry groups and how they're weighted. Banks are weighted 18%. Software services are 13.96. Materials are 12.53. Capital goods. Utilities, smaller down in there. When you get into automobile and components, it's only 3.3%. Pharma, biotech, life sciences. This one, I believe, will go up over time. And I also believe the telecommunication services will go up in India. And I also believe that their diversified financials will go up. Over a longer period of time, there are times to buy them and there are times not to buy them. But if you want to look at some of what are the stats about it, is that our worldwide trading network likes to look at some of these kinds of things compared to their current countries that they're in and what the world and diversification is about. Let's get down to the weekly chart. Here we are back over here in 1/31 of 2010. That was where we had a nice breakout to the tops right over here. We broke out up to 24.31. We pulled back to the major weekly support line, which was where the breakout had occurred right over there. See how we got that? We moved up, and we've been trailing across here on a weekly basis, which is bullish for one reason. I'll show you why. If I draw trend lines below here on a weekly level, SMF Street traders, notice that our weekly consolidations at price actions are higher than current ones that were over here in this last little cycle, where we went up. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks with the rising 10-week. I love it. Let's see if we're overbought or not. Yes, we're getting a little bit overbought in the cycle. We would look for the pullbacks, but it's bullish. The 10-week crossed over the 20. You've had a we want to make sure that that weekly bar right here, that MACD bar, is not descending. That needs to go up in value, SMF Street traders. So we'll look at adding this to our diversified risk portfolio. And the thing about it is, we buy on pullbacks. If they fail, don't forget that these tops right here still have to be taken out over here at this ridge. You had a 3-week resistance level, and your pullback had occurred here, which created the buying opportunity. So basically, the bullish part is that the weekly moving averages are traveling upward. That means ascending in price. We have a complete mathematical system. Everyone that would like to learn more about what we do at Stock Market Funding, click on the free 5-day trial. You get to be online with us. Watch it happen. We have our new trading platform, direct access platform. Hit the free trial there. International traders, please sign up here and just hit that. Everyone qualifies to be on SMF Street. Doesn't matter what citizen you are, what part of the world you live in, everyone qualifies to get involved in the SMF Street program and be an SMF Street trader. So it doesn't matter. And the other thing is, hit that sign up button there if you want to be involved. Put your name, your email, and hit sign up. And the thing about it is, what we're doing with all of our worldwide ETF structures is that our SMF Street worldwide network and US traders and traders everywhere is that we're looking for the strength. If they fail, we can short them too. So we're looking at the strength. We like that fund right there. And the charts are nice. I'll show a quick monthly chart as a snapshot so you can see where the monthly bottom was here at $10, and you've gone to 23. The important thing is the 2010 range at that bottom of this body. There's that low, which comes right through here. That's exactly where we had resistance. We went down to put in those bottoms from there. We popped that. We went up. We made a high. We pulled back. 1 month, narrow range above the last month, which we like. That's bullish. The other thing that we like, SMF Street Traders, is that there'll be a directional movement where we take out the highs. We would be looking for higher volume in the month of September. Once again, it is an Indian earnings growth ETF. It's worth looking at, buying on dips, shorting weakness. If India goes down, then we'll sell short the weekly move. But right now, it's extremely bullish. You've got a weekly MACD that's increasing in value from the previous week. You got rising weekly moving averages, rising 20-week. It's a matter of how we're going to take out these tops right here. Let me show you. And when they do take out the top, that's a top to that volatile reversal there. This is the top. So this is your double top. And we're going to take it out on heavy volume. SMF Street Traders. StockMarketFunding.com. Everyone qualifies. Sign up for the free 5-day trial.